many creators telling other creators to delete your YouTube Studio app. I'm going to say why this is a terrible idea. As a creator, how are you supposed to know what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong if you delete the app? You're going to lose how many subscribers you're gaining on your channel, how many views that you're getting, and most important, if you're monetized on the platform, how much money you are actually making, generating from your videos. How are you supposed to analyze your analytics if you delete the app? Now, I get it. They're telling you it's unhealthy to keep checking the app nonstop throughout the entire day. I do it. After I upload a video, I always check the analytics. I check to see how many views I'm getting, if I'm getting any traction on my video, you know. But if you delete the app, how are you supposed to get this data? The data will not be available if you delete the app. So I think you should keep the app on your phone. Check it on your laptop. Check it on your phone. Maybe check it twice a day. You can actually set screen time for certain apps on your phone, so it'll disable after a certain time. So if you're thinking about deleting the app, don't do it. Just go in your screen time settings and change it so you have a limit on how many times, for how often you can check it per day. You can set like an hour, a half hour, whatever you want to change it to. But don't delete the app. I just think that's a silly thing. People are just doing it to get views. You should delete the app because of this reason. You should delete the app because of that reason. But how are you supposed to grow as a creator and learn from your mistakes if you're ignoring it? I mean, to me, deleting it is admitting defeat. You're admitting that you're not doing something right. If you're not doing something right, then fix it. Fix the problem. If you're not getting views, fix it. If you're not getting subscribers, fix it. If you're not making enough AdSense money on YouTube, fix it. Don't run away from it. Deleting an app is just running away from it. So I'm advising you not to delete the YouTube Studio app. And if you delete it, how are you going to upload? You can upload from the YouTube app, but I always upload from the YouTube Studio app. How are you going to upload? I'm just saying. And how are you going to respond to your community? If you have comments that you need to reply to, you delete the app, then what are you going to do? How are you going to reach out to your community? Engagement. Engagement's important. You can't engage if you run away from everything. Everybody has this simple solution to delete apps. Just don't use them. Set time limits on them. You don't want to use Instagram, don't delete it, whatever. Unless you really don't use the app and you want to get rid of it for good, then delete it. I agree with that part. Just delete it if you don't use it. Why waste your, space on your phone? But if you're a content creator and you want to grow consistently, on this platform, you just can't run away from it, and I go back to it being healthy, but anything cannot be healthy. Sending a text message nonstop can be unhealthy. Do you delete your messages? You tell people not to text you because you're always on your phone texting people? It's the same thing, people. It's the same exact thing. Just don't do it as much. Give yourself a limit. Check your YouTube Studio app twice a day. Check it after you upload, make sure everything uploaded correctly, and then check it maybe midday just to see if you're making traction. But I check mine constantly. So for me to delete it would be a terrible mistake. I think it'd be a terrible mistake for you as a creator. So I'm going to tell you the complete opposite. Don't delete it from your phone, and let me know in the comments what you think about this, this subject, about deleting the YouTube Studio app and why you would want to do that. I want to know from other creators, whether you're, a subscriber to my channel or a non-subscriber. Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know why there's this sudden trend of deleting the YouTube Studio app from your phone. But, you're not going to learn from your mistakes. I'm going to keep saying you're not going to learn from your mistakes if you run away from it. And to me, that's just getting rid of the problem. You're not fixing nothing. And it's an addiction. I know my phone's an addiction. You're on it constantly, checking data, checking analytics, checking to see if you're losing subscribers, if you're getting subscribers, you know, if you're getting any traction. I get it. So, all right, that's where I'm going to leave this video. I just ran through why I think it's a bad idea. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. As always, you know what to do. Later.